Hello friends, today I am going to narrate the story of Pundalika and Lord Vitthal on the auspicious occasion of Ashadekadashi. Lord Vitthal or Panduranga Vithala is an incarnation of Lord Vishnu and is worshipped in the world famous Pandharpur Rukmini Vitthal temple at Pandharpur in Maharashtra. There is an interesting story that explains about the incarnation of Lord Vitthal at Pandharpur. Once, a devotee named Pundalik was travelling to Kashi and reached the ashram of Saint Kukut. He asked the sage the way to Kashi. Kukut Rishi said he did not know the way to Kashi and he had never been there. Pundalik made fun of Kukut Rishi for not knowing the way to Kashi and said that a holy man like him should have already visited Kashi. Kukut Rishi kept quiet and did not bother to answer Pundalik. During the course of the night, Pundalik heard the voice of women in the ashram. He came out to look what was happening and saw that 3 women were sprinkling water on the ashram and cleaning it. On enquiry, Pundalik found out that the 3 women were Ganga, Yamuna and Saraswati and they had come to clean the ashram of Kukut Rishi. Pundalik wondered how a saint like Kukut, who had not visited Kashi, was such holy and powerful that the 3 holy rivers came down to purify his ashram. The 3 women told Pundalik that piety, spirituality and devotion does not depend on visiting holy places or doing costly rituals, but in performing one's karma. The 3 women told him that sage Kukut had served and nursed his parents most faithfully and devoted all his life to that one aim. He had thus accumulated punya enough to earn moksha and bring us down to earth to serve him. Pundalik had left his old parents at home and was visiting Kashi to gain moksha and blessings. He did not bother to entertain the request of his parents to take them also to Kashi. Pundalik now understood his mistake and rushed back home and took his parents to Kashi and on return started looking after them. From then onwards, the care of his old mother and father came before everything else. Lord Krishna was moved by the sincere devotion of Pundalik towards his parents. He decided to visit Pundalika home. When Lord Krishna visited Pundalik, he was serving food to his old parents. Pundalik saw the Lord at his door, but his devotion to his parents was so intense that he wanted to finish his duties first and then attend to his guest. Pundalik had reached such a stage that it didn't matter to him whether the guest was a mere mortal or god. All that mattered was service to his parents. Pundalik gave Lord Krishna a brick to stand and asked him to wait until his duty was completed. Lord Krishna was moved by the devotion of Pundalik to his parents and waited for him patiently. Later, when Pundalik came out, he asked the Lord forgiveness for making him wait. Lord Krishna blessed him and asked him to ask a boon. Pundalik said, "What more can I ask when the Lord himself waits for him?" When Lord Krishna insisted that he ask a boon, Pundalik asked that the Lord should remain on earth and bless and take care of his devotees. Lord Krishna agreed to stay there and is known as Vithoba or the Lord who stands on a brick. This form of the Lord Vithoba is Swayambhu, which means that his idol has not been carved or etched, but it came into existence on its own. Jai Hari Vithala.